Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Wand and welcome back if you happen to be returning. Today I will be doing a flip through and one card reading of the Gold and Black Cat Tarot by Helena de Almeida. This deck was published in 2022 by AGM Urania. The deck comes in this hard cardboard box. That is the front of the box. And the sides, I don't want it to close because it's hard to open without the thumb cutouts, which it doesn't have, and the cards aren't in there. So it's harder to open if the cards aren't in the box. And the side there, bottom, top, and the back. And the back reads, with charm, elegance, and a twinkling eye, the black cats of artist Helena de Almeida slink into our hearts. The lovingly designed cards, based on the tarot of A.E. Waite, show the velvet paws magical, graceful, and free, but also fierce and strong. The numerous details of each card, the modern aesthetics, and the enchanting black cats make this deck extraordinary for cat fans as well as others. And it is a 78 card deck with gold foil and gilded edges, as well as a 96-page full color booklet. And the box opens up and it is simply plain black on the inside. Now, as mentioned, it does come with a guidebook. This is the little guidebook here. And I don't know if I can get that to focus. Yep. The back. Simple design. I believe it's the Two of Pentacles. The little guidebook has a table of contents. So she has her favorite type of reading here, and she uses a pendulum. And then the Celtic cross is included. The guidebook then goes into the major arcana, and the whole guidebook is structured the same way, and it includes strengths, opportunities, and then weaknesses and threats, and then a general little message. And I will be reading from the guidebook for the one card draw later on. So it has the major arcana, and then it has the minor arcana, and as you can see, it's the same format for all the cards. And that's what it looks like. So it has an image of the card for each card on each page. One page for each card. Okay. The cards themselves, let's just see. Sorry about that. Are matte, and they are not reversible. Compared to a traditional plaid back tarot card, that is the size difference there. So they are more the size of an oracle card in that regard there. Okay, so, and the deck, as it's mentioned, is gilded in gold. And I'm not sure if you can see it is a yellow gold, and it looks silver here on the camera. Sorry about that. But it is gold, yellow in color. Okay, and the cards are in order today, so I will be flipping through each one. And we'll start with the Fool, and I'll just show you how it is designed. And each card is designed with the gold border around the image, as though there is a portrait on the card for the image, and they are numbered. So the Fool is 0, and they also have the name of the card on each one. So first one is the Fool. I guess the camera is behaving now. Okay, the Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Cat, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World. Okay, and now for the minor arcana, I'll start with Cups, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, 10 of Cups, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, and King of Cups. Now for Wands, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Wands, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands, 10 of Wands, Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, and Swords. Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, 10 of Swords, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Swords, and Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Okay, so that's all the cards. And I will go ahead and shuffle and draw a card for the collective. And they are a larger deck, so I am going to go and shuffle from the vertical direction. And as I shuffle, I'll ask that you consider this a timeless reading so that anytime you come across this video, the card drawn today may have meaning for you at this point in time in your life. And I simply ask that you please use your intuition to discern if the card drawn may have meaning for you at this point in time in your life. And I will go ahead and ask Spirit to guide my hands today to draw a card for the collective. And I'll just ask, what do the viewers need to know today? Is there a message that you have? Oh, it looks like we do. We have this card here, and it is the Page of Wands. Great. That's a great card. Okay, and I will go ahead and read from the guidebook for the Page of Wands. So Page of Wands is here, and it is upright. So I will go ahead and read the upright keywords in terms of strength and opportunities, and then I will read the general message. And I'll just read the reverse meaning just so you can see what it would say if it were reversed, but it is upright. So in terms of upright keywords, Page of Wands, that shadow is my cat, in case you're wondering. Strength, cheerful. Opportunities, something good and new coming into your life. And the general message for the Page of Wands is something new, fresh, and pleasant will arrive. Our inner child will light up with happiness. However, this moment of magic also needs caution, so you do not forget something important to be done. And if it were reversed, the keywords would be for weakness would be childish, and for the threat would be leaving unfinished things behind. But it is upright, so the focus is on cheerfulness and something good and new coming into your life. Okay, so that is my cat piping in. That was the one card draw and flip through for the Golden Black Cat Tarot. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, Magic Wand. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day. Bye for now.